Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to use bet credits on Bet365. Now if you don't know how to use bet credits on Bet365, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now bet credit on Bet365 are especially bonus funds you can use to play the bet without risking your own money. Now to use them you need to simply check your bet credit balance. To do so you need to simply install the Bet365 app and you need to log into the Bet365 app on a device. So after that you need to go on the balance section on a page and you will see how much bet credits you have available. So and ensure that you have met the wagering requirements. So if your bet credits are part of promotion, then make sure that you have met any wagering requirement before use. Now you need to place a bet using the bet credits. So while you place the bet you will see the option of use a bet credit option on the betting slip. So you need to add a selection to your bet slip, and on the bet slip you will see the option of bet credits. So click on it and you will apply it on your bet, and after that if your bet is eligible then Bet365 will automatically use a bet credits to cover the stake of the bet. So that's it. That's how you can use the Bet365 or bet credits on Bet365 on a device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.